here is a money making opportunity that I just saw a few days ago. So this is an affiliate marketing program which is Zambian based, of which you can actually get to try out and try to make money in Zambia. So what is this opportunity? So by the way, this opportunity is not a sponsored video, so I just saw this and I thought of sharing because this is what this channel is all about. So this is an advert from Classified Business Center. So if you don't know what this Classified Business Center is, it's simply where you can actually get all your electronics from phones, laptops, gaming, stuff like that. Like you can find almost everything. Okay, and this is their Instagram page, and you can check out what they have to offer. Okay, so by the way, it is Zambian based. So let's try to read about this money making opportunity. So as they are saying, this is Classified Business Center affiliate marketing. So what to advertise? So they are saying that they will post pictures of their laptops with specifications and prices listed, but your job will be to share these posts within your network, and feel free to add your number to the point of contact. Then when you get to have an interested client, you need to guide them to them by coming with them or getting in touch with their contact people, which the details are below, and you need to alert them about the prospective client. So here is a you can actually earn a commission. So the first one is try to advertise the products in your network. So bring the client over to their store and or arrange delivery for a client if it's within Lusaka. Then you will get the commission if the deal goes through. So they're saying that you're going to earn commission for 250 kwacha if you generate sales between 5, if a client you bring buys an item between 5,000 and 7,000, and you're going to earn a 500 kwacha if a client buys anything between 7,001 and 10,000, and you're going to earn a 750 if a client you bring buys anything above 10,000 and 17,500, and above 17,500 you earn a 1,000, which are kind of good earnings here, because most affiliate programs usually pay less than that. So by promoting a Zambian based company and earning these commissions, I think this is a good idea, and you definitely don't want to miss out this one. So let's try to read the rules of engagement. So they're saying that you need to ensure them beforehand that you have a client coming through to the store, that they need to know that you've directed them to them. So you need to make sure that you share the details as they are posted as you advertise the products. Okay, this is important. And you need to pay attention to the post details to know if a product is new or pre-owned, as this affects the warrant policy. So I think you need to make sure that as you are advertising, you make things clear that if a product is new or pre-owned. So you don't need to make a mistake and say it's new when it's not new. So the new laptops have a warrant period of 1 year, while pre-owned laptops have a warrant period of 3 months. So you need to know this as you're advertising. When asked about battery health of pre-owned laptops, always state that the battery lasts for at least 3 hours, because most of their devices last for a little longer than 3 hours. But it is important to give clients information that is accurate as possible to avoid disappointments. Okay, this sounds good. And lastly, as stated above, when you get a client, be sure to get in touch with us through our office numbers. So these are their office numbers, so you can call, SMS or WhatsApp, and they'll provide you with the information you may need. So this is a really good business opportunity. So give it a try to promote their phones and their laptops, their gaming stuff, and you actually get paid. I believe you will. So this is it about this opportunity. If you learned something from it, give it a like. If you've got any other opportunity that you'd like to share with the channel, feel free to contact me. Bye for now.